Guys, it's your boy Edward Deep Clean Pro Wash back with another video. Today we'll be cleaning inside of this restaurant. Well, they haven't opened yet, and they want us to clean the kitchen area and basically all the flooring inside this building. Let's go check it out. Here's the soon-to-be restaurant. They just want us to wash it off. No specific stains in particular, just a wash. Currently there's no lights, so I have my flash on. It's kind of a quick walkthrough to wash all of this here. Like I said, no specific stains. We'll probably add some degreaser here. This and I guess the kitchen area is that way. This is where they have the freezer where they do all the cleaning, washing. Have to figure out where we're gonna get access to this water. They don't have a spigot. I brought approximately, let's say, about 200 gallons of water. So we'll see. I do see a spigot here though, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to use that one there. They like screwed in a garden hose gun. Yeah. That's what we got going on for today. And after this project, we got some skylights to clean. Just 3 of them, not too bad. Yeah, guys, keep watching the video. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe for more content. Found some water, guys. Wrapped up around about 150 feet. Garden hose. Applied our degreaser here. We're using Dawn degreaser. I've had good luck with it. No issues. Just let that sit. Let it dwell. We'll go ahead and hit these for our client and see how this turns out. Covered up all our outlets. We want to get water in there just to be on the safe side. Cut this grease. It's a lot of it. That's it. Well. Oh man, it's cold. About 35 degrees.
There's a huge grease stain here. Got that removed for them. Couple outlets still. Has some tape. Everything else turned out great. One way you can tell if you cleaned it right or not, that's what I kind of figured out. Like here, there was a very slippery spot. And when I was cleaning, I almost slipped here. So I added some degreaser, cleaned it up, and it's not slippery anymore. So yeah, a couple of spots though, hazardous. You gotta take care of. Turned out great. This was already here. This looks like it's been chipping off. Same as this. It's just chipping off already. This freezer cleaned out also. Smells better now. It smells like rotten food in there. Yeah, guys, just head out, grab some breakfast, and then see you at the next one.